Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have an American lock that was sent to me by Bearsback. It's a 1100 series and it's got the number 1681 stamped on the front and back. I don't know why. I'll have to ask Bearsback if he knows what that is. If it's just whoever owned it put that on there, and I don't know. But anyway, see if we can get this guy open. Here's the bitting on the key. It's not bad. Got a deep one, high, and then some few. They're not all quite the same, but not far off. Okay, let's see if we can get this open. I don't know what's in here, so it'll be new. And actually I think I'm going to start with this little guy. He's kind of one of my favorites. And I'll see if I can keep this. Trying to figure out how to angle this so you can see what I'm doing, but yeah, I like that. I don't know. These Americans, I like to hold them in my hand, most of them. And just kind of really light tension. And kind of just nudge along the pins, see who wants to do something. I did get a click out of 2, and I did get a click out of 1, and it felt like it went into a false set. Okay, let's go to the back, and kind of go up and down the stack, feeling so I know exactly where those pins are. And we'll see if we can find something else that wants to move along. He's American. Now I feel a little counter. Number 5. Trying to get under it there. I just set it, and it feels like I got a little bit more turn on the core. Now, one thing about these Americans, for you that don't have much experience with them, a lot of times you can have this lock picked and you don't know it. And it's because the spring tension in there is really tight. Oops, almost lost my tension wrench. So you have to try it out once in a while. If you get a false set, sometimes you've got it open and you don't know. So you have to push on this tension wrench pretty hard to find out. I learned that the hard way. I learned everything the hard way. Okay, let's see what else. Just kind of nudge along. Just enough tension now. It's picked up a little bit just to hold those pins so they don't drop. But yet you can't hold them too tight or you won't be able to set anything either. I like this little southward Euro pick because I can really feel in there on these Americans. Pins are a lot smaller. And once I get to a certain stage, I might put it down and go to my Peterson. This is a standard, and I believe it's 18 thousandths. And then once nothing's talking to me anymore, I might need to put a little bit more pressure on the pins, find out what's going on. See, right now, felt something right here. I believe it's 3. So I'm going to see if I can get something happening there. Oh. Feedback there, but it's not going to do anything. So I'm going to keep looking. I'm going to go to number 1, do some nudging, see if I can get somebody to talk back to me. And sometimes when you get to the point where nothing will talk back to you, okay, I feel something in number 5. I was going to say, if nothing will talk back to you, you might want to try tension wrench again to see if you got it picked, because sometimes you can't find nothing to talk to you, and that's because you've already got it picked and you don't even know it. It's crazy. And I'm having a hard time finding something to talk. I'm thinking it's that one pin. Don't want that popping out on me. That one that was trying to do something a while ago, but yeah, it won't. And that was number 3, I think. Okay, nothing on 1. Solid. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. And 4. I don't believe so. Boy, somebody just, okay, I let up a little bit, and I think numbers 6 and 5 moved a little bit. They feel like they're set. So maybe we'll find somebody now to talk to us. Nothing serious though. Boy, I tell ya. At 10 minutes on this lock. That's not good. And 1 feels like it just set. Let up a little bit, and then nudge 2. It feels like it's set. We just may get this lock open yet. Don't want to give up. We are at 10 minutes now. Oh boy, see what I mean? I didn't even know I had it open. Well, practice what you preach. All right? Oh boy. Okay, let's get this guy open and hopefully it'll be a quick gut, huh? Since we are at almost 11 minutes. Yeah, let's move this stuff out of the way. Find a screwdriver. So cheap Harbor Freight will do the trick. I have not seen the inside of this lock, so I don't know if it's stock or what. It does have a wafer in there, bypass wafer. Sure that Mr. Bearsback probably put that in there if it wasn't there already. Changing glasses. Okay. My sleeve is all wet. I just did dishes. Still can't get anybody to do them for me. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to turn this around, try and get it put in that hole right there. There we go. And see if we can pull this out real quick. Whoop. Stick screwdriver in there. Okay. And the screwdriver has a magnet on the end, so it starts dragging everything in. Okay, let's see here. Now, do it with my other hand. I'm trying to do this so you can see too. It's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. Yeah, just gotta do it the way it's comfortable for me. See, it's already picking this lock up. It's a strong magnet on that thing. I'm gonna try this. That might work better. I think it did. There's a will, there's a way. Alright, we're getting it now. Now, key, I've got one. Where to put it? There it is. And shim, come on now, oh Fumbleina. This is a thick shim. But it's a nice one. Okay, now, where did I put that? Oh, here it is. That's what happens when I put on my pinning glasses. I can't see anything far away. They're just close. Okay, put that out of there. Set that there for now. We're going to see if this is a stock lock, and I'm thinking it probably is, but we'll find out. Okay. Okay, that came out quick. And if you turn them around, I'm going to do this right from now on. Okay, there's the key pins. And they're looking good. They look like American. And let's start in the front. Okay, number one is a standard. Whoa. Yeah, there it is. There's a serrated spool. And there's a serrated pin. I'm going to go around the back. Okay, there's a spool. And another serrated. Okay, I'm sure these are all stock pins in here. Dump them out. They are just as shiny and pretty as ever. Brand new. Okay, so I guess we could safely say this is Stock Lock Sunday. Okay, folks, I'm going to turn this around. And Bearsback, if you're watching, maybe you can tell me what the 1681 is, if you know. And if not, we won't fall apart. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on this. I'm going to try to do this sitting down. So look out, folks. And oops, I'm not doing so good. I think I do this better when well, I guess I don't do it better. There. How's that? Well, I think that most of you know what inside of American looks like, and these key pins are serrated. Number one has 2 serrations. Number 2 has none because it's a short pin. Number 3 has 2 serrations. Number 4 2, and number 5 2 serrations on the key pins. Now on the drivers, there's a standard and 1 and a spool and 2, serrated in 3 and 4, and a spool in 5. So thank you for joining me this evening. I hope this one wasn't quite as long as some. And subscribe and hit that thumbs up and come back again. Thank you. Bye-bye.